Alright, so I ended up putting the two mounts in the middle here. They're not fixed to anything except that the top is clamped on the bed pretty good, and all it's doing is pushing up between the bed and here to make sure it doesn't bow down. And then I've got the sides mounted just on the front there, no other bolts. In the rear is clipped on the bed and then mounted with the wing nut screws, same on both sides. And the rear middle is just doing the same thing, it's just clamped on the bed there and then pushes it up to keep it from bowing. Didn't really need it on that side on the right, and on this side it's actually bowing up in the middle, so I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do about that if really needed. But let me show you just how level it's gotten. This flutter you're seeing, there's actually glue, a little bit of glue on the table from a glue stick. Go back to HomeX. And so all the corners are within 1 thou. The middle here comes up to about 6, 7, and then it goes back down to 0. So, I touched it there on the tip, but you get the idea. So around the corners and everything, it's really close. I mean, within 1 thou, and that basically equates to, let's see here, 0.001 times 25.4. That's 0.0254 millimeters. So less than a 0.1 layer height, far less. And the 7 thou that I saw there comes out to 0.177. So let's go to the middle. Let me show you the middle there. Let me re-zero this. Okay. Oh, wrong way. Let's back up, move it back. Alright, that's pretty close. Alright, now we'll move it back. So even in the middle of the bed, it's at 0. The only spot that's kind of funky is right here. It bows up, and there a little bit, but less than this side. So overall the bed is really dang level.